In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage tickets in HubSpot CRM. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to streamline your workflow, this step-by-step guide will walk you through every detail, so you can stay on top of ticket management with ease. HubSpot is an incredible tool for organizing customer support, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident navigating its ticketing system. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Use your credentials to access the platform. This secure login ensures that only authorized users can access your CRM environment, which is essential for managing customer tickets and maintaining data privacy. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to access the tools you need. Now, let's navigate to the Service section within the HubSpot interface. Simply locate the Service tab, which is where all the help desk and ticket management features are housed. Think of this section as your hub for tracking and resolving customer issues. Once you're there, you'll have everything you need at your fingertips. Next, we're going to create a new ticket. In the Help Desk area, click on the Create Ticket button. This will open a form where you can input the details of the ticket you want to create. Start by entering the ticket name. Be sure to use a clear and descriptive title. This makes it much easier to identify the ticket later on. For instance, instead of naming it Issue, try something like Website Login Error or Order Cancellation Request. After naming your ticket, select the appropriate pipeline. The pipeline determines which category or department will handle the ticket. For example, you might choose a sales pipeline for a lead-related issue or a support pipeline for a technical problem. Choosing the right pipeline ensures the ticket is directed to the right team without delays. Then, set the ticket status. You'll see options like New in Progress or Closed. These statuses help you track where the ticket is in its life cycle. For instance, a new status indicates the ticket hasn't been addressed yet, while In Progress signals that someone is actively working on it. If the issue has been resolved, you can mark it as closed. Keep in mind that accurate ticket details and statuses are critical for efficient management and quick responses. And that's all there is to creating a new ticket. Just make sure all the information you've entered is correct before saving. Accurate details save time and help your team stay organized. Now, let's move on to managing the tickets you've created. Navigate back to the Help Desk under the Service section to access the ticket dashboard. This dashboard gives you a comprehensive overview of all your tickets, their statuses, and where they are in the pipeline. It's like your command center for keeping track of ongoing issues. Make it a habit to check the dashboard regularly. Staying updated on ticket progress is essential for addressing customer concerns in a timely manner. To make this process more efficient, use the filter options available in the dashboard. You can sort tickets by status, pipeline, or even the team member assigned to them. For example, if you want to focus on urgent issues, you can filter by tickets marked as new or high priority. This way, you'll never lose track of what's most important. As you work through the tickets, don't forget to update their details as needed. You can move tickets to different stages within the pipeline to reflect their current progress. For example, if a customer's issue has been resolved, move the ticket to closed. Alternatively, if another department needs to take over, you can reassign the ticket to the appropriate team. Keeping ticket information up to date ensures that everyone involved has a clear picture of what needs to be done. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and manage tickets in HubSpot CRM. From logging in securely to organizing your tickets using pipelines and statuses, you now have the tools to handle customer queries like a pro. If you have any questions or tips about using HubSpot, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.